Hello friends, today we're going to repair this fantastic Nikkor 80 200mm f4, a great classical lens, and then this one has a problem which is rather easy. Well, it's rather common, but it is rather easy to repair. And then if I put the lens in this position, you will see immediately what the problem is. If I rotate the lens, you see this nasty cloud of fungus. So to repair it, we're going to remove the front element, and then we're going to clean the fungus. So I show you how to reach this fungus by removing the front element, and then to do so we should come here. There's this screw here in the barrel that you just simply need to get a bit loose. No need to remove it entirely. And then once the screw is moved, and then it lets rotate the front element here. That comes out just easily. Okay, so this is the part with the fungus that we want to clean. Let me get something dark so you can see it. So the fungus is just there. There is something you might probably be aware of, is there's this ring here that when I first disassembled the lens, I thought there was some glass in here. There is not. As you can see, I can pass my finger, and then I spent like a lot of time trying to remove it, because I thought I wasn't going to be able to reach this fungus here. Anyway, there is no glass here, but then if you remove this lens here, as I'm going to do now, there's glue in it, so you have to dissolve that glue before being able to remove it, so you are able to access the whole surface of the lens. And then you can even remove this element here in case you have some fungus in between. But well, that's a bit rare. I think this case is happens more often. Okay, so this is it for disassembling the lens. As you can see, it was super easy. Now I'm going to get my cleaning stuff, and then we will proceed to cleaning the lens. So see you in a few seconds. So hello back, my friends. I got everything that I need to clean the lens ready. So I have my blower, I have this suction cup, I have my isopropyl alcohol that I put in small bottle, and then I have this optical cleaning fluid, and then optical cleaning paper, and then, as I say in all my videos, don't skimp on the optical cleaning paper. Okay, that's the things for the cleaning. I will add links to some of them in the video description, so take a look if you want to get one of those. So I will start by using the suction cup just to remove this glass here, because I want to blow here inside, because I saw there was some dust. Using the lenses, and then it is always a good exercise just to clean. And just for you to know, when you blow a lens, then the best way to do it is just sideways up or upside down, so you avoid having dust falling again into the lens you just blow, which is a bit dumb. Okay, so this is it. So the use of the suction cup is just to take the lens out and then hold it while cleaning. So we just blew. The interior looks clean. Well, I hope. I still see some stuff, but I don't know if it is the stuff just here in the front that I will clean at the end. Anyway, so now we can proceed to the most important thing, which is just cleaning the fungus here. Seems a bit strong, this fungus. So I use the isopropyl alcohol. Here you have to be quick because the isopropyl alcohol dries out really fast. And then, yes, the fungus is it's a bit stronger, but then I have the feeling it's going away nicely. Okay, I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. And then, as far as I can see, there is no damage on the coating, which is a big success. So okay, so let us finish this cleaning. I will put one additional layer of optical cleaning fluid. Not optical cleaning fluid, that was isopropyl alcohol. Okay, yeah, there's a small stain where the fungus was, but most of it is gone, so which is already a good thing. Okay, now I will finish with the optical cleaning fluid. This part is okay. Yes, there is one small stain in the coating. Let me try to get it. Yeah, you see it there. Otherwise, the lens seems very clean. So that's it. I will just finish clean this perfectly, and then we come back for the reassembly, which is quite straightforward. So I finished the cleaning. I put a lot of effort, it took me some time, but then at the end I would say the stain which was visible before, yeah, is there, as you can see, but I would say it's barely visible, and then you see it only really under strong light. So for me this is repair, it's a success. And then, as I showed to you before, the reassembly is rather simple. I just blow just to get the dust away, and then I just simply rescrew the lens element here into the barrel. We tighten the screw again here So here you just need to be careful because there is always a position which is pre-machined, which is just before being over tightening, going too far. So you reach this position and then the screw goes to the end, and then there is nothing that protrudes here. And yes, that's all. Now our lens looks really nice. As you can see here, for me it's success, and then the stain is there, but yeah, it's barely visible. So I think this guy is apt to going out and keep taking fantastic pictures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.